Okay, that's okay. Okay, adventure continues at 7:10. 10 minutes past 7, and I'm still on the trails. Not on the trail, on the road, but it's muddy and deep puddles from the trucks and everything. I'm so thankful now for auxiliary lights. Okay, let's dive. More. Okay, not too deep. Well, 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 look at this pavement. Keep going and going and going and going nowhere. Maybe I should check this resort and stay, not risk. I checked one resort, that resort I was talking about. I was planning to stay, but the owner said that my destination is only like 30 minutes away, maybe 20 minutes away, depends how fast you drive. And now I'm really tempted to finish it up today as a revenge for all the fun I had. And as she said, like the paved road is all the way down there. Good, let's go. Well, it doesn't look very paved, at least here, but it's not that bad. Definitely it's not the road she was talking about, that was the paved one to the left. Let's check the map. Okay. Is it the port? Is it? Is it? There we go. And yes, looks like it. Buliluyan port. Yes, here we are. Challenge completed. Okay, now I need the place to stay. What I've noticed that everybody needs to touch you after you ask them something or talk with them or something like that. So that's an interesting feature, I guess, to encounter the new one. Little update. Yeah, like I try to check for places in Buliluyan port, but what I got from the local ones, because there are only a few, it's like overpriced for what you're getting and so on. So I'm now trying to get back to that JBL resort and then get the room there, because it's the same price but the quality is way higher. So yeah, it's not that far, like maybe 20 minutes away, so trying to get there and get the room. The worst case scenario, we're gonna find the flat spot and pitch a tent, and that's it. Here we go, JBL Resort. Hey. Here, people, if you're watching this, this is the ancient bottle of like Stone Age and trash. Trying to. Oh, now we're gonna leave some, like, you know, footprints, and then the scientist will come and will say like, oh, that's a footprint of an ancient human being. Muddy, muddy, muddy. Okay, that was a lovely stay. Unexpected one in JLB Resort. And now it's time to loop off-road to Buliluyan again. And then go up north before the storm hits. Yeah, so I need to be back in Puerto before the rain starts. So well, let's see how it looks like. Buliluyan, the last off-road section, because at night I didn't see much and couldn't see much, so you know, that happens. That's totally fine. Okay, bye, see ya. Okay, thank you, see ya, have a good day. Yeah, thank you. Okay. There we go. And here we go. Last section to finish. Yesterday at night it took around an hour maybe, so today it should be quicker, I guess. During the daytime, everything I do have. Okay, more mud. Okay, let's go. Adventure continues. Left road is the fast Y, and straight is an off-road section. Yeah, so if you're here, don't have where to stay or want a like nice place to stay, here it is. JLB Resorts and Tours with cave-in experience, resort, pool, little bar, more expensive rooms, cheaper rooms and stuff. So yeah, whatever you want to choose from. Okay, time to go. Let's go. And back on the off-road section. There we go again. Come on, donkey. You did it last night. You can do it during the daytime as well. Come on. Okay, I'll give you 2, okay? Here you go, buddy. Yes. Enjoy. Have a good day. See ya. Bye. Again, I guess I should start filming more interactions. Because I was driving quickly through this road and then the kiddo appeared on the road, and then like with his palm up, down or something, like, you know, slowing me down, asking for me to slow down, and I stopped like to ask what, how's it going, what's going on, and then the kid was right away like, sticker. Yeah, like Filipinos are crazy about stickers, so yeah, for the enthusiasts, big bike lovers and so on, always need to give the sticker, because, like, you know, why not? A little sad part is that, well, you can't see much here. Maybe you can reach the port here or there, some local ones, but yeah, not much you can generally see. That's the way to go down. We're right here. At least yesterday that was the road. Didn't I? I did. Yeah, this one. There we go, the southern tip. And here we go, Buliluyan Port in daytime light. Yes, finally done. Done. Here we are, Buliluyan Port. A place where you can go to Balabac from. Nice. Already can see some lovely beaches up there. Yeah, next time I will come especially for those islands in Balabac and so on. No time before the storm comes. I need to head back to Puerto Princesa. Okay, off we go. Local type of transportation. This is Rio Tuba because everything is dirty and they're mining nickel here, if I'm right. There's probably like the housing place for the workers, for the miners, and yeah, that's how all town looks like. Covered in dust or mud, you can say. Well, probably dust. Just a few minutes in town and I'm already covered in dust, like we can see. So I'm really like curious how people live here and like, you know, how they breathe the air and everything, because now it's like not very good looking or nice looking. But mining brings money, I guess. And all these Coca-Cola bottles here, guess what it is? It's fuel or oil or something, but usually gasoline, where you can stop and buy. And it's like less and less common now, but it used to be like at every sari store, like every small store, you were able to get gasoline in those Coca-Cola bottles. Not allowed to go closer to the mining site. That's the airport, which is also like not allowed, I guess. So the only way is to go to Puerto. Example of parking, you just dumped your car in the middle of the road. To try an off-road track with a donkey. I think we should do it. Motocross track. Let's see. Okay, donkey. Show your motocross skills. Where's the start and finish? of Champions was completed. Had some fun, time to go back on the road. Any Filipinos are watching this, can you explain me in the comments or somewhere like why everybody likes to drive in the middle of the road here, even though like you're slower moving traffic, there are faster moving traffic behind you and near you and so on, but still like huge cars, tricycles and so on, they still decide to go in the middle of the road. Any ideas why or any explanation? Another type of transportation. 2, 4, 6, and like maybe 10 people. That's when you travel with your whole farm together. Convenient. Actually really nice bun, I would call it, or like a little dessert or so. Rebecca's Bibinka. Yeah, that's the place. It's on a national highway going north from Brooks Point towards Nara, or from Nara down towards Brooks Point. So really nice, really cheap, 15 pesos each or 7 for 100. Really nice, really tasty. Try it out if you have a chance. Rebecca's Bibinka. Rebecca's Hot Bibinka. And finally, Puerto Princesa. Finally. It took me some time to get here. And that's it. That's it for the day. So thank you for watching till the end if you did. And press all those important YouTube buttons if you want to. And see you in the next one on the way up north. See ya.